Hello there! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a recipe for lemon raspberry muffins. Very simple, no unnecessary, confusing ingredients, super straightforward recipe. Let's dive right into it. Start by mixing granulated sugar with lemon zest and 1 lemon. These muffins turn out really soft and have a crispy top, which is actually my favorite thing about them. Add eggs, vanilla, refined vegetable oil, meaning that its flavor and smell are neutral. And kefir or buttermilk. They have similar consistency and sourness. For the dry, flour, salt, some baking soda, and baking powder. Yes, we need both of them for the best results when using acidic ingredients. Combine everything together, no overmixing please. You might need to throw a few more grams if using buttermilk. Lastly, add frozen raspberries. Fresh will do too, but I'm afraid they'll mush. This recipe makes 12 not too big muffins. If you make batter a bit thicker and go over the edge of the papers, you can make huge muffins. My name is Sandra. You're welcome to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. There's plenty of various cakes, cake rolls, and other desserts. Recipes are simple and well balanced. Final but very important step is brown sugar for topping. It makes muffin tops even crispier. Now put these babies in the oven preheated to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 7 minutes, and then lower the temperature by 10 degrees and bake for 13 minutes more. Check with a toothpick. You can also check if they're done by touch. Muffins have to spring back. Higher temperature at the beginning helps us with a nice rise, and lowering temperature allows muffins to cook, but not dry. I have one more tip to share with you. It might be tempting to store them in an airtight container to keep nice and fresh, right? But I suggest the opposite. I recommend baking as many muffins as you can eat in 2-3 days and store them just on the counter, covered with a napkin or a towel maybe. Don't worry, 2-3 days will not turn them into rocks. I hope you enjoyed this video and try this recipe at home. Good luck!